I bought a peach tree online and it quickly started to get purple colored spots on the leaves and stem. Now it has worsened and almost every leaf has it and they have yellow edges as well. Please help me save my peach. And this is Dua from Sicklerville, New Jersey. All right. So can we help her, Dr. Kelly?
Yeah, I think we can tell her what the problem is, but it's really hard to control the disease called bacterial spot.
Oh, yes it is.
A homeowner situation.
Yes it is.
If she's a big orchard grower, you know, there's chemicals and things, but
Right.
it's hard, but we think it's bacterial spot from the pictures and the description, because it'll have a little shot hole where the tissue will die out and it'll be little holes through the leaves. And I think we saw that on the leaves.
We definitely saw that, and those leaves, of course, look tattered and torn.
Yeah. And you can get, not to say that you couldn't probably save that one, but what you can do is to maybe prune it out, open it up a little bit so that it will dry quickly when you have wet weather, because it is a bacterial infection. And you can use resistant varieties if this one does pass on to glory. There's some cultivars that are resistant to bacterial spot when I did a little research. And one of them is the Bella Georgia, which is an old variety, and South Haven and Red Haven.
Yeah, I know both of those.
And those are just a few. But remove debris, the leaves when they fall, get rid of all of that, because you know you've got the spores of the bacterium in that. So
it is tough.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah.
Definitely tough. Resistant varieties, pruning.
Maybe if you can get rid of all of it this winter and put fresh mulch, prune it out, you know, while it's dormant.
Good air circulation.
And maybe, you know, it won't be so bad next year.
Right. Yeah. And I would say, go to your local extension office. They probably have a publication.
They do.
That's probably a spray guide.
Yep.
You know, because I can hear Mr. D in my head saying peaches, plums, and nectarines need to be on a spray schedule.
They do. They definitely do, because they are so prone to disease and insects in the Mid-South.
They definitely are. So go to your local extension office there and get that spray guide. That'll help you out.
Now, I think you can get a dormant spray of some kind of copper.
You can.
And spray that. As a homeowner, you could do that.
You can definitely do that.
During the dormant season. And that will help.
Right.
You know, with maybe it coming back out in the spring and looking a
So,
little better maybe.
Right.
So he could do that.
Copper-based fungicide, you can definitely do. Just read and follow the label on that, of course. And I think you'll be just fine. Yeah, picking up that spray guide.
Yeah, that'll help. That'll help a great deal.
That's for sure. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.